Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Handy Danny, and today I'm going to show you guys how to trim out a door, okay? I'm working with commercial doors. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to look for my membership program that I have on my YouTube channel, and it's right beside the subscribe button. You'll see the word join, and I have all kind of different perks. Take a look at it. There's a video describing everything that I'm offering, but I'm gonna show you how to trim this door out, and then the last thing I'm gonna show you is going to be how to put on the hardware, the door handle for the door, okay? And this is real simple, real easy. You don't need a lot of tools. The only tool that I will be working with today is a screwdriver, possibly, if I need it, just kind of pop the trim off. But if you put it on the right way, you won't have to put it on, you don't have to pop it off again, okay? So I like to start off with my header, and as you can see, I have the door framed out here. I like to start off with the header, and I like to take one of my side tracks, okay, if that's the right terminology for it, and I like to kind of set it, pop it on there, that way I know I'm square, and go from there. So let's check it out. This right here is the header, and you can see the angles in it right here. See, my light went out. And you can see the angles. And then this right here is one of the side tracks. And as you can see, that 7 right there. And I just like to pop this guy on here, and it'll sit flush right at a 45, okay? And as you can see, it went up there very simple, very easy. These little ribbon ties here, I don't like to smack it all the way down for the simple fact that I want to get the other side on first. Okay, and as you can see here that I have the top already secured on the ribbon ties. Now I just have to just kind of push it on there, and you notice I did not have to use my screwdriver to pop it back off because I did it right the first time. All right, that's it. Pretty simple. Pretty easy. All I'm gonna do is I'm going to pop in my trim on the inside of the door, and then we'll come right back, look for part 4, the final piece of this series here on how to install a door, a timely frame, commercial door frame. When it comes to just putting the hardware on, I'm gonna show you how to put the handle on, which is super simple, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace out.